Hey mama, hey mama, hey mama, hey mama, hey mama, hey mama, hey body. Awake my body. You can't turn your cheek when you're falling asleep and you're cold. Awake my body. They took me to the station, brought me down my knees, asked me my vocation. I'll tell you if you please. I trained my toes in tapping, specializing in concrete. I tell you one day it just happened. I heard a voice that came